Hi everyone, I'm Shahrzad Gholami from University of Southern California, and today I will be talking about a hybrid spatio-temporal model for wildlife poaching prediction evaluated through a controlled field test. There is a huge amount of evidence provided by leading organizations in wildlife conservation that shows extinction or a dramatic increase in poaching trends of endangered and vulnerable species. The illegal wildlife trafficking is now worth tens of billions of dollars each year, so it's important to stop the poachers from poaching and targeting these important animals. So what we have done is using historical real-world data and use machine learning techniques to perceive poachers' behaviors, predict poaching activity, and try to help the park rangers to allocate their limited number of resources more efficiently. So the main questions that we have been trying to answer is how to predict poaching activity based on the historical real-world data, and also how to evaluate predictive performance of such models. So we developed a hybrid spatio-temporal model, and also we evaluated our model through the controlled field test in Queen Elizabeth National Park in Uganda. So the main domain, as I mentioned, is Queen Elizabeth National Park in Uganda. What happens is that poachers go through different regions in the park and they try to set traps and snares to poach animals. And there are a limited number of rangers, park rangers, that they can go through foot patrolling and try to remove these traps and snares, and also they record whatever they observe. So we have access, we got lucky to get access to this data set. And there are some major challenges with this data set. One of them is label uncertainty. When poachers go to some region and they find some snares, they record it as an attacked target. And if they don't find anything, so they do not, they actually label that target as not attacked, but we are really not sure either. We are really not sure if nothing has happened in that region or they have not been able to find it, meaning that that not attacked target is because of the imperfect observation of the rangers or not. And also there's another challenge with this data set. Another challenge is the class imbalance, which meaning that most of the targets are recorded as not attacked. More than maybe 90% of the targets are recorded as not attacked. So there is a huge class imbalance. So what we have developed is a hybrid model which consists of two components. One component is bagging ensembles of decision tree, and another component is a Markov random field model. And by this combination, we were able to improve the accuracy of our model. We tested the model based on the historical data that we had, and also we deployed the results of our model in Queen Elizabeth National Park. We were lucky, we got lucky to collaborate with Uganda Wildlife Authority and also a Wildlife Conservation Society, and we were able to ask the park rangers to go and patrol some regions that we suggested to them based on the results of our model. And I will be able to talk more about the real-world results at my poster. Thank you.